Welcome to Raptor Restoration, your trusted water damage restoration service in Indianapolis. We specialize in helping you recover from disasters such as windstorms, hailstorms, water, floods, and fire. When these disasters strike, it's devastating. You may not know where to go or what to do first to reclaim your life and restore your property. After the storm is when we shine. We handle everything from water extraction to complete structural repairs. Our comprehensive approach ensures no detail is overlooked. Our skilled professionals are dedicated to delivering high-quality results. We pride ourselves on our attention to detail and exceptional workmanship. Whether it's minor water damage or major structural repairs, we've got you covered. We aim to make the restoration process as smooth and stress-free as possible. Our commitment to excellence has made us a trusted name in water damage restoration in Indianapolis. We strive to exceed your expectations with every project. Call us today at 317-886-0696 for a consultation. Let Raptor Restoration help you rebuild and restore your property. Visit our website at raptorrestorationusa.com/services/disaster-restoration for more information. Discover why so many homeowners trust us with their restoration needs. Raptor Restoration, restoring homes, rebuilding lives.